everyone. You may remember this TV from a repair series that I did on this 1959 Philco Predicta. But alas, I went to go watch TV on it a year ago, and it was doing great, and then the picture went unstable, and well, I got this. The horizontal has failed. Or the vertical, one of the two. Yep. The vertical has failed. So we're going to turn that off and unplug it. Because we have, from TV Restore Guy, 10L43 couplets to go in this beauty. Because I believe the couplets have been bad in it. All of them have actually. My friend Fur, he's the one that helped me get all the components for this TV to even restore it. Thanks to my good friend Fur. We talked and he said he can get the couplets for me and we can finally get this thing finished. And I'm going to align it and do a setup on it, make the picture look as best as possible. Because so many people who come in here love this TV and they want to see it work. And some people actually got lucky enough to see it work before it failed. And now I just tell people, no, it don't work, and that's a project for another time. And no, it's not for sale. Well, let's get to work. Let's turn it around. Something I make sure is I lay the antenna down. I don't want that broken. I also never put the hardware on the thing. I never even mounted the chassis. It's just floating in there. So we're going to do it properly. So let's get to work. Alright. Completely fucked. Yeah, all these couplets here. These couplets, this one here, these are all the couplets. And these are the replacements. But all these have to go, especially that vertical one. I suspect that that's the problem. I suspect it is. What's the audio output? Ow. Original Philco. It's a 6BQ5, which I do have plenty of them. Yeah. This TV wasn't exactly the funnest. Oh god, there's cobwebs in it too. Oh, I never put up my tube shield. It's got a movable down tube shield to shield my effing shit. That coil has probably been screwed with. I'm gonna adjust that. I'm gonna have to make my own plastic coil. 10L43 chassis. That's good. I got the correct couplets. Let's unplug. I think this is the yoke. That's the yoke. That's unplugged. That's unplugged. I can stay. Yeah, that's unplugged. tube socket. Yep, it's a tube socket. Yeah. It's a tube socket. Tube socket's no good. You can see my past repair on this. And believe me, I'm not happy that I'm putting the couplets in like that, but hey, it's mechanical connection. It'll be fine. Yeah, that tube socket's broken. It's broke again. Probably another broken one here somewhere. No. Well, it's shot, so it's gonna go bye-bye. And this will be the replacement, which looks close to the original. So, I just remembered something that people do is they actually break the tube socket with their wire cutters. It's actually easier. And better on the circuit board because you're not ripping anything out. And this tube socket isn't even needed no more because it's shot. So we can just pull it apart. Oh, and remember to always wear eye protection. You know me, I'm a dumbass, so I'm not gonna. I don't think, I just do, you know. Let's see, it's about. Just drop in. Nope. Oh yeah, it'll drop in. Just I'm gonna put. Oh, she's alive. Oh, was alive. It was alive. Now it's dead. Fuck. Let's try it again. Well, we got a full raster, and and the reason why the thing wasn't working right was because of this. K network 30-6531-2 was the fault. And as we can see, that's the one I replaced right there. As we see, we got a full raster. Very nice, very nice. I should play something on the TV. Also, I just noticed that wire broke off, but look at that. we have a full rasp. Alright, so now we're going to replace the rest of the couplets. Well, so far the TV's come out well. We got a lovely picture, but the sound is awful. The sound is very distorted. I don't know why. Also, there's some lines under the picture. Let me show you. This is our next step. Here's the next step. We got lines in there and some scan lines, which that is not my transmitter. Let me show you what the transmitter looks like currently on this TV. As you can see, no scan lines. And the sound on this is perfect. But there's scan lines and a squiggly line over in the middle of the screen. Yeah, these lines here, it's the next step. Turns out, this one couplet, which I believe will fix all of our problems, is in the IF board. So I gotta take that out and put this couplet in, because I suspect the old ones went bad, and I'm gonna check the resistors. That also could restore the bad audio. But as you can see, it's got this line that appears randomly, and these lines down here. The picture's coming along great, it just needs some more touch-up. So I'm gonna turn off the TV and let it discharge. Alright, this TV, the IF is back together. I replaced the couplet, which you can see right there. We're ready to put it back together, power it on, and see how well the picture looks and maybe how well the sound might be. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that.
How did you get in? Fast from the street. I showed you this morning you'd come around, but this is a little ahead of schedule. Well, won't you sit down? Richard, I had to see you. There's Richard again. We're back in Paris. Your unexpected visit isn't connected by any chance with the letters of transit. Seems as long as I have those letters.
Okay, so I figured out on this TV, I had the capacitors wired to the wrong wires, which means that's pretty much the reason why the damn thing wasn't working right. So I'm doing it properly. Instead of having that can that was there, I made a terminal strip, and I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to feed the wires on these connections here. And that should do it. And that should probably fix the line and all the other semi-weird issues with it. So, yeah. Alright, I have the terminal strip put in, and it's all wired correctly this time. Let's hope that this is going to be the fix. Hopefully.
Would you mind holding these?
Alright, so I have it pretty much done. Here's the picture. I have to do a alignment in 15 minutes on this. So yeah. But it looks good. Well, the TV's pretty much done. I got it aligned as best as I could.
Did you see that, Lily?
Here's it.
Bob beat me again. Last night it was ping pong, and this morning this.
So, got the back on it, used the mirror to align the television, and I'm getting ready to put this back on.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, isn't it?
Thing back on. Here's the screen. You can tell how much this is discolored over the years. I'm gonna try and polish this and clean it.
Oh, that's too bad.
Also, it
How are
smells
things in Transylvania?
kind of
Oh,
bad.
that's always been one of my favorite songs. How are
But it looks
things
good.
in Transylvania? Is the plasma bank
Oh
still
shit! I
glowing
forgot.
there? Well, at least Cousin Phantom of the Opera is here.
Yeah, maybe we can all have a sing-along. I'll bet there aren't many father-in-laws who can do that. Now that's what I call flying off the handle.
What is that?
I think you're getting too grandpa. No clearing our names.
10 o'clock, and it's back to jail.
I tell you, Herman, that master criminal must have covered his tracks so well that the police do not know what's going on at the wax museum.
Well, there was something going on at that pizza place last night. And it would take a whole lot of pepperoni to cover that up.
Herman, you've got it.